I'm so tired from walking to the Rebel Violoncello tour. I bought a train. We are going with the train. Oh, Mrs. Mariam from Virtuoso.
Hi, I have the
She
best
has the
t-shirt.
best t-shirt in the world.
Wow.
Train. So I don't have to walk around the world. She will take me to Rebel Violoncello tour on a train.
Wow,
And this
luxurious.
car, romantic car. Look at this romantic
Oh,
car.
wow, look at this.
Wow, we can go to every little corner of the world and spread love, right? Rebel with the cello tour. See you all very soon. Ta-da! Thank you so much. For me?
Yes.
Wow, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you? Good to see you again. Why don't we do the longest Q&A ever made? Like literally ever made.
Wow.
You know how people do Q&A? Like,
Yeah.
like ask you questions, they give you like half an hour, that's it. But we can do it for a whole tour.
How long is that? That's a long time for
It's
me.
like 100 years.
I'll be working for you for 100 years.
Actually, this tour is 40 days, European leg. So let's focus on this for now. So
We'll do 40
guys,
days.
Q&A is gonna last 40 days. I'm gonna answer your questions in every possible scenario. Walking on stage, walking off stage, on the stage, during meet and greet, backstage, sitting at the toilet, every chance I get to answer your questions, I'm gonna do it. So here is your chance. Let's start this thing. It's really exciting.
Here we go.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I think this video all excellent. It was a very beautiful and amazing video of doing how to solo. As we can see in this video with Hausar for the shining stars taking the cello around there, and it was a really beautiful and amazing. The way I was going on a really beautiful and amazing video, and I was thinking I was going to share this beautiful and amazing video for all and all the people of the world. So be with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to watch our video. Thank you, love you all, bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to watch our videos. And we will see you also on our website. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video and share this video. And so they can also be part of how they can be able to also the idea of the latest thank you, bye bye, like, share and subscribe.